So some friends of yours got you hooked up, so to speak, to what? Do you remember that?
Yes, I do,
What was
Judge.
it?
The computer.
The computer? What did you use it for?
Facebook.
Yes, well, what did you use it for?
To look for things that are nice on Facebook.
One of your friends taught you that it's also a useful tool to buy things, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And you went online and you found something that Alan was selling.
Yes,
What
Judge.
did you find, madam?
A settee.
And so you saw this sofa advertised online, correct? Prior to this, madam, had you ever purchased something online?
Never.
You were a Facebook virgin.
Yes, Judge.
Understood. Lots of us are, madam. Now, Alan, you've been selling things blamelessly, I want to be clear, for some time, correct?
Yes, correct.
Using the Facebook platform and other platforms.
That's correct, yes.
True. How much was it advertised for, please?
I think 140.
I thought it was 170.
According to the receipt that you have provided, madam, the initial sale, Alan is right about, it was £170.
Sorry.
She came round to your house and had a look.
That's correct, yeah.
What did you think?
I liked it.
Looked perfect, correct? Now, whose idea was it, when you said you wanted it, to give a deposit?
Me.
That deposit that you gave, did you get a receipt for it?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have the receipt here?
Yes, Judge.
Deposit of £50 received for corner sofa from your name, £120 to pay on collection. Did you write that, sir?
I did, yes.
Thank you very much. That was a wise and sensible thing to do. Now, you gave a deposit of £50, which meant that you were going to receive £120 on delivery. So the sofa remained in your home. You had £50. Now, there's some things that are blacked out there. Does it say deposit non-refundable?
No, not on the receipt, no.
Now, why did you not write non-refundable?
Well, that was basically when the lady here asked to leave me a deposit. She specifically said, I want to leave the £50 deposit to show you that I'm not going to mess you about. I generally want it. It's a lovely piece of furniture, and I will guarantee I'll collect it tomorrow, so am I able to leave you a deposit? Which I was happy
Of course you were.
to take.
Of course you were. You haven't written non-refundable. And she was absolutely clear in her mind, and I want to be clear, I believe her just as you should, that at the time she entered into that agreement with you, Sue was absolutely clear, confident, and totally honest that she wanted it. She didn't want anyone else to have it, right? That's why you put your £50 down.
Yes, Judge.
What would happen to that £50 in the event that Sue got home and decided, oh, do you know what? I've made a terrible mistake. It doesn't match the lasso apsos. What happens to the £50?
Well, I believe that a deposit is to place down to secure that item as a sale.
Why is it not simply to take it off the market, and then when somebody says, as soon as they get home, for example, I don't want it anymore, you are able to return that £50 and you have the option to resell it? Do you want to refer me to legal terms and conditions on the website that make it clear that all deposits that are handed over are non-refundable deposits?
That's correct.
If that is correct, where are those terms and conditions, sir?
They would be on there.
Did you specifically state, thank you, sir, at the time that you took that £50, madam, just to be clear, you can't have this £50 back even if you change your mind? Did you say that?
Well, no.
Thank you. You got home, what happened next?
As soon as I walked through the door, I knew I'd made a big mistake. That isn't going to fit there.
Didn't fit. What did you do?
No. I left it because it was getting on late that evening, and I rang first thing in the morning.
You didn't just ring once, did you?
No, I kept...
You called the next morning many, many times. How many times?
Oh, at least 6.
I believe she called me very early hours. So
that indicates to me that she pretty much realised as soon as she could that she didn't want the thing. What sort of time are we talking about early hours? Not 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, no.
7?
Probably
8?
7, 8 o'clock.
Understand.
Yeah.
You'd already had your breakfast and been for a jog by then, I would have thought.
Taking the dogs out.
Understood. Did you call back, sir?
No, because I got up and then she phoned us again and I answered.
And what did she say to you, sir?
I've changed my mind because my partner has come back and he's had a fall, and I believe that the sofa is too low for him to be able to sit on there comfortably.
What did you say, madam? Is that correct, what Alan is saying?
No, I haven't got a partner.
Well, he's got to be wrong about that unless he's talking about the Holy Ghost.
Yeah. That's only me and the 5 dogs.
I remember her exactly specifically saying that her husband's come back, he's had a fall, and he's unable to sit on the sofa because it's too low.
Do you go round announcing to people that you have an imaginary husband?
No, Judge.
Did you say to this gentleman that you have a husband?
No, Judge, I haven't got a husband.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.